Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mayur Jadhav. So guys, today we will be talking about top entry level mirrorless cameras of 2020. So guys, if you are planning to buy your first ever camera after this lockdown, then this video is going to help you a lot guys. So guys, before starting video, subscribe to my channel and like, comment and do share because it will help me a lot. So guys, the cameras I'm about to talk are all the mirrorless cameras. So let me tell you guys what exactly is a mirrorless camera. The mirrorless cameras guys, as their name suggests, doesn't have any mirrors in it. So the light rays directly falls onto the surface of the sensor. Hence the absence of mirror saves a lot of space in your camera, resulting in very compact size body and lighter weight. So guys, you must have known the DSLRs since ages. The so-called coolest guy of our college used to have that old bulky DSLRs, but those are the days gone. Now the DSLRs are at the age of their extinction and mirrorless cameras are all over the market. So here are some reasons why you should consider buying mirrorless cameras over the DSLRs. Guys, because the sensors of the mirrorless cameras are far more advanced than the DSLRs, and also the autofocus system of the mirrorless cameras is unmatched to any other DSLRs that are available in the market. It's not like that you can take good pictures with the DSLRs, but I guess it's just the future of videography and as well as the photography. Also, you can see the compactness of the mirrorless cameras. You can carry it around like everywhere just by putting in your pocket. And without any wasting time, let's get started. The first camera which comes in the list is the inventor of the mirrorless camera itself, the Sony A6000, which comes at around 40,000 Indian rupees. Though the Sony has recently launched its A6100 as the upgraded version of this model, but the price is almost double that of the A6000, which I think not worth that much after looking at what they have upgraded from A6000. The A6000 could be the best choice as a beginner camera at such a great price. Despite being almost 6 years old now, the A6000 still makes it to the top 2020 list because of its great features. So here are some key features of the Sony A6000. So guys, it comes with the 24.1 megapixel APS-C size sensor and has a hybrid autofocus system with 25 contrast detect and 179 phase detect points. It can shoot staggering 11 frames per second with subject tracking. It can record Full HD 1080p at 60 fps and 24 fps. Also, it has NFC and Wi-Fi and has App Store where you can download various useful apps. Talking about few cons of this camera, it cannot shoot 4K and only shoot 1080 at 60 frames per second only. It does not have touchscreen and articulated screen, so it is quite disappointing for the vloggers out there. Also, the battery life is very poor. It can only shoot 360 shots at a single charge, but it has given USB charging option. You can charge it by using your mobile charger or power bank. Also, the build quality is quite poor. It comes in with plasticky body, which I think the polycarbonate I guess, and it doesn't feel premium in our hands. So who should consider buying A6000 in 2020? The one who is looking for Sony brand guys, because this is the Sony's cheapest camera out there, and despite being an entry-level camera, in the skillful hands and using premium Sony lenses, you can get professional quality work out of this little body. The next camera in the list is Fujifilm X300, which comes in around 31,000 rupees. Now some of you guys must have not heard about the Fujifilm company yet, but Fujifilm is now currently among the top mirrorless camera manufacturers out there. So let's have a look at some key features of Fujifilm X300 at an amazing low price. So guys, this camera comes in 24.2 megapixel APS-C size sensor. It shoots 6 frames per second in burst mode and has 91 autofocus point with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and the battery is slightly better than the A6000, which is 430 shots in a single charge. And guys, it does shoot 4K but at only 15 fps. So who should buy Fuji X300? The one who is on very tight budget and don't have a lot to spend, and the one who is not into much videography and looking for just excellent quality images. The third one in the list is Panasonic Lumix G85K. It comes in around 46,000 rupees, and some of the key features of the Panasonic Lumix G85 are as follows. It comes in 16 megapixel 4/3 MOS sensor, and guys, it has also the 5th axis image stabilization with which you can shoot it handheld with absolutely no shake. Also, it has a weather seal body which is dust and splash proof. The 2.36 million dots electronic viewfinder is simply awesome, and also it can record 4K at 30 frames per second. So guys, the Panasonic cameras are well known for the amazing capability of 4K capturing and recording. So if you are more into the videography than photography, then you can go with the Panasonic Lumix G85K. The fourth one in our list is again Sony. The Sony's A6300. The Sony A6300, guys, is slightly expensive than the other cameras in the list, but the release of 6100 and 6600 surely bring down the price of A6300 after this lockdown. The A6300 comes with the magnesium alloy body, which is dust proof. It can shoot 4K at 30 fps and 1080 full HD at up to 120 fps. Also, it has a 425 autofocus points and autofocus speed of 0.05 seconds. Also, the video recording option comes in different picture profiles such as S-Log, S-Log2, S-Log3 and Cine 4. So if you are more into videography than the photography, then you can go with the Sony A6300. So that's it for today's, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, then do like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also follow me on Instagram, and also guys, make sure to follow me on Firework. The guys, you must have not heard about this app because this application is recently launched in India, and ever since it is going excellent because the new reveal feature that is in the application, which allows you to reveal your video by just tilting your screen. So guys, do check that out also, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you so much.